Welcome all to today's offline class on administrative discretion for administrative law by Dr. K. Sangeeta. First, we will see the meaning and definition. The freedom to decide what should be done in a particular situation. According to Justice Co., discretion is science or understanding to discern between falsity and truth, between right and wrong, between shadow and substance, between equity, colorable glasses and pretenses, and not to do according to their will or private affections. Next, when you see the difference between ministerial powers which are strictly required to be exercised according to law, wherein no choice, the principal criteria and condition applicable universally to all and equally to all, no power to differ on the basis of facts and circumstances. Discretionary power. The administrative body applies the principles, criterions and conditions on the basis of facts and circumstances. Satisfaction of authority is important. The authorities give different treatment to different cases. Need for discretion. Legislature, where a legislative law on presumption could not foresee circumstances and exigencies in future. Discretion is necessary for the better and smooth functioning of administrative body and to do justice with all people while law is administered. Effects of discretion. According to Lord Acton, every power tends to corrupt and absolute power tends to corrupt absolutely. When you see United States versus Wenderlich, Justice Douglas says, where discretion is always absolute, man has always suffered. Administrative discretion is more destructive of freedom than any man's other inventions. According to Daisy, wherever there is discretion, there is room for arbitrariness, and that in a republic no less than a monarchy. Discretionary authority on the part of the government must mean insecurity for legal freedom on the part of its subjects. Constitutional and statutory discretion. Validity of discretion are of two types. First one, substantive aspect. Second one is procedural aspect. Article 14, where state of West Bengal versus Anwar Ali, or in Chitralekha versus state of Mysore, or Article 19 in state versus Babulal or Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia versus state of Delhi, one can understand the concept. Failure to exercise discretion. Subdelegation in Oberoi Motors versus Union Territory of Chandigarh. Imposing limits on discretion by self-imposed rules of policy. Acting under dictation. Non-application of mind. Excess or abuse of discretion. Exceeding jurisdiction. In Hamchand versus Union of India case, irrelevant consideration, we can see Ram Manohar Lohia was the state of Bihar, Ajay Dikshit was the state of Uttar Pradesh, or unreasonableness, irrationality, where we can see in Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India, or living out relevant consideration, or colorable exercise of power, or malified intentions, wherein C.S. Rauji was the state of Andhra Pradesh. When you see the third aspect, violation of fundamental rights of Article 14, 19 and 21 and mixed considerations as in state of Orissa versus Vidya Bhushan, and violation of principle of natural justice.